Pag-ibig Fund increases cash loan entitlement and shorten eligibility sa mga MPL borrowers. Totoo ba ito? Answer, yes friends, totoo ito. Legit po ito. Nabasa po natin sa FB page ni Pag-ibig Fund. So may tatlong good news po sa Pag-ibig Fund. Number one, Pag-ibig members can now borrow up to 90% of their total Pag-ibig regular savings. Dati kasi 80%. Ngayon po, 90% na ang malo ni Pag-ibig member. Number two, in addition to higher loan amounts, eligibility requirements have also been enhanced. Members can now qualify after contributing for just 12 months or 1 year. Yes, friends, kasi dati po 2 years dapat na may contribution before maka-loan. Ngayon po 1 year na lang po ang eligibility requirements ni Pag-ibig Fund. Good news talaga ito, no? Sa mga Pag-ibig MPL borrowers. So number three, the enhancement shall become available to members starting May 16, 2025. Tomorrow na po ito ang effectivity. So tatlo po yung good news from Pag-ibig Fund. 2 thumbs up Pag-ibig Fund. Responsive kayo sa financial needs ni Pag-ibig member. At congratulations din sa mga Pag-ibig members na gusto mag-avail sa Pag-ibig MPL ng Pag-ibig Fund. Alright? Thank you for watching. Please like, share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, God bless, and 2 thumbs up.